Hey guys, welcome to this wonderful section with me again. Now, in this section, I'm going to be teaching you how to design a Tesla investment broker website, just like this you are seeing on the screen. This is the home page. You can see this is the home page, Tesla investment website, and this is the user dashboard. So with this website now, your users can make deposits, make investments. Their profit for their investment is going to be added up automatically, and they can also decide to transfer. But all of those transactions will be approved from the admin dashboard. So I'm also going to walk you through the admin dashboard. So this is just the user dashboard. Let's take a look. This is the dashboard. So here we have the user profile. Then over here we have the user deposit section, where the user makes deposits to their account. So before then, the user will have to select the plan they want to invest on, then make deposits. We're going to come back and check on all of that. So these are previous deposits by this user. Then we have the transfer, same as withdraw. So before the withdrawal will be initiated, the user will need to enter his or her withdrawal code. Now the withdrawal code will be provided when the user is registering. I think this is the withdrawal code for this guy. Let's try. Okay, so the withdrawal code is not correct, and I think this is the correct withdrawal code. So let's see. So that's not correct. Okay, so I'm gonna check for the correct withdrawal code for this user. I've forgotten it. So when your user registers, they are going to get the withdrawal code for their account. Now this is the KYC section, where your user submit their documents for KYC. So here we have the KYC. So this person is already approved. You can see approved. So if the user is not approved, we just need to upload their documents, a government issued ID card and a passport. Then this is the logout button. So it's very simple. It's a very simple broker, but with powerful functionalities, with email alerts on every transactions and everything. And the admin get to control everything on this broker from the admin dashboard. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to design something like this with the script I have developed. I developed this script myself, so I'm going to be giving you access to the script, and you can use that script to build your own broker website. Within 20 minutes at most, you should be able to develop a broker website exactly like this one we are currently seeing on our screen. So without wasting much time, we're just going to dive into that straight and get started with our design. So welcome back. To get started, guys, first thing, you will need a hosting account, which is a domain name and a cPanel, a server. Now, if you do not have a domain name and a server, just head on to destinedhost.com.ng. There you can purchase a domain name for a .com domain name for 19,990 naira, and a server also for as low as 680 naira per month. So you can just head on to, you can see the website here, destinedhost.com.ng. Then just make your orders, and it's a DCME ignored web server and also a bulletproof hosting, so your hosting and your website will not be suspended unless for overdue payment reasons. So that aside, having purchased your domain name and hosting, you're going to get a cPanel with a login details. So that's what we're going to be using to log in to our cPanel here. So I already have an account which I am going to be using for this tutorial purpose, and the website is destinedigitalsacademy.com.ng. So I already have other websites on this website, so I'm just going to be I'm working on a subdomain, so I'm going to be creating a subdomain or maybe a directory on this domain, so we can use that to get started. So let me head over to my second browser where I already logged into my hosting account, and this is my hosting account. This is my cPanel rather. So yeah, I already logged into my cPanel. So this is what you're going to be getting when you purchase your cPanel. Now I want to create a subdomain. So let's use a subdomain. But if this is the only thing you're going to be having in your website, you won't be needing a subdomain. I already have some other projects on this cPanel. That's why I will be using a subdomain. Or I can also use a directory if I want to. So I'll just go down to the domain section. Let me just click on domain. So let me have this project on a subdomain. Then I'll just click on create new domain. Then I'm going to call this new domain, let's just call it tesla dot destindigitals.com.ng. Then I'll scroll down and I'll click on create. So our subdomain has been created. Then these are all the subdomains we have here. So let's look for it. This is teslas dot. So the next thing now, I'm going to head over to the file manager of this subdomain I just created. Then I'm going to be uploading my scripts. So to get the script, I'm going to be dropping a description, a link on the description of this video on how to get this teslas script. So the script is going to be coming with the web files, the database, and also the documentation to instruct and guide you on how to get the script installed and running. So I'm going to show you all of those on this video. So I'll just click on file manager. Please take note, if this is the only thing you'll be having on your website, you don't need to do that subdomain I just did. Like I said, I already have some projects on this hosting, this cPanel. That's why I had to put it on a subdomain. So when I open it, you're going to see all other projects I have here that I wouldn't want to, get them compromised. So over here, I'll just click on public_html. So you can see all of these folders here, they are projects, and this is the one we just created, tesla.destinedigitalsacademy.com.ng. So I'm going to open it. Now this is where I'm going to be uploading my files. Okay, so when you get access to the script, this is what you're going to be getting. You're going to be getting this web file and this documentation folder and this db files. Okay, so this is the one we'll be uploading, these web files. So I'm just going to come over here, click on upload on my cPanel. Then I'll just drag the web file and drop it here. So I'm gonna wait for it to upload. So it's currently uploading. The file is about 38 MB, so that's not it's not a large file, just a small small website. So as you can see, it's done. Okay, so after that, you can go back to root directory, which is our folder. Then over here, we're just going to extract the guy because it's coming on a zip file. So we'll just extract it so we can now see all the web files that are in there. So when we reload now, let's reload. So you can see all the folders and the files that we will be needing. So I can delete this zip file now. I won't be needing it again. I can delete it now. Okay, the zip file has been deleted. Now the next thing we're going to be doing, we are going to be uploading the database. So for the database, first we'll be creating a database on our cPanel, creating a user for the database, and also a password. So to do that, go to your cPanel homepage, which I'm currently situated now. Then scroll down to where you have database. Then over there, you click manage my databases. So I already have other databases here, so we're just going to create a new one. So this is management database page. So I'm just going to click on create a new database. So let's call this Tesla. Then we'll click on create. So let me just copy this name because I'm just going to use it as the password and the username. So we have created a database now. The next thing we're going to do now is to create a user for this database. So we'll just scroll down to where we see user. So here we are, add new user. So let's just call this user Tesla. Then for the password, I'll just paste that name I copied. Then we create the user, and after creating the user, so you can see the user is created now. We'll go back, we scroll down, then we're going to assign that user we just created to the database. So when we scroll down, we should be able to see add user to database. You can see it here, add user to database. So we're going to select the user, which is Tesla destined_Tesla. Then we select the database we created, destined_Tesla. Then we add. On this next step here, we're going to be assigning the privileges to this user. So over here, just click on all privileges and you're good to go. Then we're just going to click on make changes. So with this, our database has been created, our user has been created, and our user has been assigned to the database. The next thing we're going to be doing is to upload our database file. So to do that, we just go to our cPanel, just go to the home page of our cPanel. Then scroll down to where we have phpMyAdmin. Click on phpMyAdmin. So this is our phpMyAdmin page. This is where we manage our database content. Okay, so here you can see some other database I already have, but the one we are interested in is this Tesla. That's the one we just created. So we're going to click on it. Then when we click on it, you can see there are no tables on our database now. Then we're just going to click on import. So we want to import the database of this script that we are working with. So I told you are going to be getting access to both the web file, which is the script, and also the database file. And you're going to see the database file inside this DB file, folder. When you open it, you're going to see Tesla DB. So this is the database. So I can just drag it and drop it here. Then we're going to wait for it to upload over here. So it's currently not uploading, it failed. Now let me see why it failed. I can click here to see why it failed. Okay, there's currently an issue with my database. So I'm just gonna let me just export this database again, then correct the issue. Okay, I think I will be needing to export it. I'm just going to correct the database now. So let me just correct it and save it so that you won't be having same issue. So let me open this database now with VS Code. Then I'm going to navigate to where the issue is. You don't need all of this, so don't bother yourself about this. so don't bother yourself about it. You won't be needing all of this. So this is where the issue is now. So let me see and just correct the issue. So I'm just gonna clear this guy off. Okay, so clearing it off, we correct the issue. So I'll save the database and let's go upload the database again. This time around it should be uploaded. So let's see if the first one we did, if anything was able to upload. Some table should have been uploaded already, but let's see, because if those table has been uploaded already, we're going to have issues. So you can see some table has been uploaded. So what we just need to do is just to check all of them and drop them. So we just delete all of them so it doesn't give us issue while uploading a new one. So we have deleted them. Then we can drag and drop the new one now. So this is it. Let's just drop it. So we should be having any issue again. So you can see success. Now our database has been uploaded successfully. Now if we check, we should see a total of around 20 tables. Yeah, you can see we have 20 tables. So the database was uploaded successfully. All right, so the next thing we're going to be doing now, we're going to connect this database to our website, because the database has to be connected to our website so our website can actually run and function. So to do that, we go back to our website, our file manager rather. Let me close this guy. So this is our file manager and this is where our file is now. Meanwhile, our website is already live. If we enter our website URL now, let's just enter it here. So you can see that our website should be live now, tesla.destinedigitals.com.ng. So you can see the website is live, but if we go to the dashboard area, which we can click on get started to navigate to that section, it's going to pop up an error. So you can see it's not displaying anything currently. That's because we have not set up our database. So let's go do that. So to do that now, we're going to be doing it on two sections. We're going to be doing it on this dashboard section, which is the users area, and also on the admin area. So let's do it on the admin area first. So we open the admin folder. Open the admin folder. Then we're going to see this ink folder. We open the ink folder. Then we're going to see connection.php, edit connection.php. Click on edit. Now we're just going to change this name, change it to that's database name we copied, and that should be, let's go copy it again so we don't make mistake. Okay, we can see it here. This is it. We just copy this name here, copy, then we'll come here, paste it here, change the user. Remember, we use the same name as both user, database name, user, and password. So we'll also change it on the password. After that, we'll save. So we'll save. Now we'll go back. Go back. Then we'll do the same thing on the dashboard area, which is the user area. Go to ink. Then under ink, we go to connection.php. Right click, open connection.php. Connection.php. Then we just do the same thing here. Replace this guy. Then we'll replace this guy. Okay. So after that, our website dashboard should be up. So let's see. Let's reload again. Since my network this evening, it's not helping. So this is the user area I'm trying to load, but my network is kind of slow. So we cannot close these guys now. We can close them. So you can see it's loading now. All right, it didn't display a blank page again. Now if we try to log in a demo user, this is our demo user. Let's try to log in a demo user. So as you can see, login successful. So in case you're having any issue, maybe the login is not going through and all of those stuff, just check your database connection and that should, get it resolved. So you can see this is a demo user. Now let's go to the admin dashboard. Okay, let's go to the admin dashboard. To do that, we just let's copy our website URL. So that will be your website URL, your domain name /admin, your domain name /admin. So you're going to see this notification: purchase and installation not complete. So it means that you have not activated this script from with a purchase code. So when you get access to this script, when you purchase this script, you will be needing a purchase code. So ensure you are not getting the fake script. All right, so click on OK. Then the vendor you are getting it from, maybe me or any of my sales person, is going to be giving you a purchase code that you're going to enter on this section here. All right, so you're going to enter the purchase code you are given on this section. But for me, let me just pick a demo purchase code. So I've got the purchase code now, so I'm just going to paste the purchase code here. Then I'll click on proceed. So at this point, it's going to verify your purchase codes, and if it's correct, you're going to see purchase successful. Then click here to continue. So this is just a one-time thing. You don't have to do it over and over again. All right, it's just a one-time thing. So from here, we're just going to, you can register a new admin, or you can decide to use the demo admin. So that's going to be admin@admin.com. Then the password, this is the demo admin, is 123. Okay, so it seems what we entered is not correct. So let's just register a new admin. In that case, let's click on create account. Then let's call this guy Destiny Manuel. Then let's use this 123 as the password. So the admin account has been created. Then let's go to login. Then over here, let's enter the admin name 123. So you can see login successful. So this is the admin dashboard. All right, so this is the admin dashboard. Yeah, so here you can view deposits. Don't think there's going to be any deposit right now. So currently there's no deposit. You can view withdrawal requests. These are the withdrawal requests. You can view payouts and so on and so forth. But first of all, you will need to configure this website properly before you start receiving registration. So the first thing we need to configure, we have to go over to site configuration. Then we'll configure the email. So let's set up the email so that new users that are registering now will be able to view, will be able to get email on registration. Okay, so we need to do that. To do that now, we have to go to, wow, seems the link was not provided here. Okay, yeah, email configuration. This is where we'll do that, email configuration. So yeah, we're going to change it to our SMTP email and so on and so forth. So let's go over to do that. So what we're going to do now, we'll go to our cPanel email section. Then we're going to create an email for that. Okay, so yeah, we'll scroll down to email. scroll down to email accounts, then we're going to create a new email account. Let's call this new email account now Tesla at Testing Digital Academy. Then the password, let's just generate a password. We're going to copy this password, copy it. I've copied it now. Then we'll create this email account. So once the account is created, we're going to connect this email account to our website. So to do that, we're just going to click on connect devices. You can see that right here, connect devices. When we get here, just scroll down. So these are the information we'll be needing to connect devices. Our password is the password I copied. So you go to your admin dashboard now. Over here where you have SMTP password, paste the password you copied here. Then here we have our incoming server, but preferably use the outgoing server. So copy this. This is going to be our SMTP host. Paste it here. That's our SMTP host. For the SMTP port, leave it at 462. Then the SMTP user, which is the email, we created. So we're just gonna copy the email we created, which is this guy, and we'll paste it here. So after that, we'll save. So with that, our email is connected now, and our site should be able to send emails to user. So that's all we need to do for the email section. Then the next thing we just need to do, maybe we'll just touch one or two. So you don't need to upload the you can change it if you want to, but currently the Tesla logo is already uploaded here. So let's say you're not working with Tesla or you're working with something else, you can change it, but there will be no need for that for now. So we'll just scroll down. The site name, change it to Tesla or any name you want to use, because maybe you are not using Tesla or something like that, so you can change that. Then the site description, let's just write, this is the best investment broker. Then you can input your Facebook URL, your Twitter URL, and so on and so forth. Then this is the WhatsApp phone number. All right, so you can input your WhatsApp phone number, and that is going to display a get button on your home page where your user can actually click on that button to message you. All right, so after that, we just click on update. So with that, now this name here is going to be updated to Tesla. So site information updated successfully. Let's go to the home page. Let's see. So you can see we have Tesla. Now take note, this guy was showing the invest as the title before, but let's reload it and we're going to see, you can see now it's not showing Tesla. You can see that is now Tesla. So that's how to update that. Then the next thing we will need to set up is the cron job. So stay on set configuration. We're going to set up the cron job so that the return on investment for the user will be updated automatically. You will not need to come and start updating, their profit by yourself. No, it's going to be done automatically. And this is the cron job command. So you can see cron job setup. Just copy this command, cron job command copied. Then you go to your cPanel. Please follow this step. Go to your cPanel home page. Then on your cPanel home page, scroll down to where you have cron job. If you don't see this cron job in your cPanel, just contact your hosting company to activate cron job for you. So this is cron job. It's already activated with cPanel on destined host, so that's why we recommend using destined host, because all our cPanel is optimized for all of this stuff. So what we're just going to need to do now is to add a new cron job. So yeah, just we want it to run per minute. Okay, so just make it run per minute, then scroll down, paste that command you copied, paste it here. After that, add cron job. So cron job has been added. So what this cron job does is that at regular interval is going to run this command on our behalf. Okay, so when it runs that command, it's going to update some information on the website, including the return on investment. So that will be updated automatically. So having done that, we are basically done with all the setup we would need for this website. So let's just try out the user registration and some other things. So I'm going to log out of this demo user now. Let's click on log out here. Let's log out of this demo user. Then over here, let's register an account. Let's register an account. Then let's use testing. Let's use test user. For the username, we're just gonna use testing. Or let's use something else. Let's use the tech guy. For the email rather, we're gonna use, let's use my email. Let's use destined host. Let's just use destined bees. Then for the password, let me enter a simple password, confirm password, then register. So I've used that email already, so that email already exists. So we're going to change the email and let's use a different email. So let's use a different email. Let's just okay. So let's fill the form again. Let's just use the tech guy. Then let me use an email that I think I've never used on anything before, at gmail.com. Then 1 2 3 1 2 3. So let's register. Account created successfully. So let's go log into our account. So I'm just going to enter the email and the password. Then proceed. So welcome, this is our new account. So let's check if we have actually received any email carrying our account information. So this is actually the email I use. Let's reload. So the email should be, wow, the email should be here. Okay, the email hasn't been delivered yet, but definitely we're going to receive the email. So I'm going to be posting this video here while I go charge my system, because you can see my system is down. So I'm going to pause this video here, then while I will charge my system. After that, I'm going to come back again. Then you can see, please complete your KYC and so on and so forth. So we're going to do the KYC verification, make some transactions, deposits, try some withdrawals, and let's see how everything goes. Then I'm gonna give you the link to get the script. So see you guys when I'm back. So welcome back, guys. In the previous session before my system went out, we were able to create this account, and now we're going to check out the deposit, check out the withdrawal, check out the KYC, and just ensure that everything is working and walk you through on how the system works, so you know how to communicate with your users when using it for your own project. So first of all, we're going to work on this KYC here, because without the KYC we can really not do much on the account. We can't make withdrawals. So what you just need to do is just to click on KYC. Let's go back. Just click on KYC over here. Then you upload your images. So let's just do the upload. Let's just upload some pictures from my system. Let's just upload this guy. Then let's just upload the same picture here. Then we'll just click on upload. So on the admin end, so you can see waiting for approval. KYC submitted successfully, waiting for approval. So let's go to the admin end, then we'll go to KYC manager. So you're going to see KYCs here. So these are the KYCs, and let's check this one. This is the one we just recently submitted, and you can see this is the KYC image we submitted. So yeah, this way we get to modify the user account. Then just scroll down here, you're going to see KYC document. So these are the documents we submitted. You can either approve or decline it. So let's just approve it. Now it has been approved. Now let's go to the dashboard. So the KYC should be cleared now. So the KYC should be cleared. This is just cache issues, yeah, because when we check from the admin dashboard we can see approved. So the KYC has been approved. That should not give us issue. If we log out and log in again, we're going to see that this guy will be cleared out. All right, so the next thing, let's try out some deposits. So we're just going to click on deposit, then we'll just select investment plan. So I'm going to teach you how to add this investment plan, or let's add some investment plan first on the admin dashboard. So we'll just go to the admin dashboard, then we'll scroll to add plan here. So this way we add investment plan. Just go to add plan. So we can just have the plan name. Let's call it new plan. Then minimum amount, let's say $3,000. Maximum amount $100,000. Interest rate, let's use 50% interest. Let's set the duration to maybe hourly. So every hour that that investment is going to mature per hour. That's if a user invests now, it's going to mature in the next 1 hour, and the user gets 50% of whatever they invested. So we can add a description here, set the status to be active or maybe pending or hidden, then we add the plan. So we'll go to the user dashboard now, refresh here, and we should be able to see the plan here. You can see that that's the investment plan. Then this is the one we just added. So we can just select any of them. All of them are hourly, so let's just select the starter plan. Let's continue. Then over here, let's deposit $50,000. Then select payment method. We are paying with cryptocurrency. Then we'll make payment. We'll proceed to make payment. So here we're going to select the wallet we want to transfer to. I'm going to teach you how to update this wallet and how to add new wallets. So there are 3 already. Please note, always remove these ones and add yours. I'm going to teach you how to add all that on the admin dashboard. So let's say we're sending with Ethereum. So the user get to copy the Ethereum, this Ethereum wallet, and as usual, then the user is going to upload a proof of payment. Let's just upload a picture from a system as proof of payment. So let's just open, then confirm payment. So at this point, the user is going to get an email notification of their payment. So I'm just going to wait. So you can see payment was made successfully. Then we can now go to the admin dashboard. Then we should be able to see what's going on there. We should be able to see these investments we just made. So let's go to the admin dashboard. Then we'll go to deposits. Meanwhile, the admin have already received the notification of these payments already. So here is pending. You can see the status pending approval. So we can just click on view. So you can see this is the payment proof that was uploaded. Then we'll just click on approve. So you can see deposit approved and investment started. So that investment is currently running. So you can see investment approved. So when we go to the user dashboard, note the capital was $0 before. Let's reload. So you can see we have $50,000 capital. Accumulated balance, you can see we have 75,000. So the profit has been added, yeah, but the investment is not yet mature, so we cannot make the withdrawal. So you can see the profit, you can see everything is adding up automatically. Then if we go to withdraw, let's go to withdraw. Let's try to make a withdraw. So here your user is going to input withdrawal code. Now this withdrawal code is going to be sent to your user on registration, okay? But we do not have I don't have that email again. Let's just see. So I'm just going to check the admin dashboard. So that's how you can view a user's withdrawal code. Just go to all users, then select the user. So this is the user, I think this guy here. So we just view the user, scroll down, you're going to see PIN, withdrawal code, authentication code, and you can also update this code at any given time. You just need to edit it and you click on submit. So when you click on submit, all of those codes will be updated, okay? So this is the withdrawal code. So I'm just going to copy it and give it to the user. So this is the user. Then we verify. So the code has been verified, verification successful. So how much are we withdrawing? So you can see withdrawable balance is currently 0. That is because the investment we just made is not yet matured. So once the investment is matured, we're going to say that we're going to have balance that we can withdraw. So for now, we don't have any amount to withdraw. So if we try out a withdrawal now, let's select payment method. Let's say bank. So your user gets to enter their bank details, or maybe cryptocurrency. They enter the cryptocurrency name, maybe BTC. Then they get to type their whatsoever here, wallet address. Then the PIN also. This is the PIN. So all of these codes, your user will be getting them on registration via email. So you can also use that to just manipulate your users, change the code and all of those things. So let's paste the PIN here, submit withdrawal request, and let's see. So you can see insufficient fund, your withdrawable balance is $0. So we don't have any fund available for withdrawal. So when the investment is matured in an hour time, we are going to be able to see the investment and see the amount, the withdrawable amount here. Then we can now place a withdrawal. So basically that's all for this system. Okay, so that's all for the user dashboard. You can see it's a very simple investments website. You can see it's very simple. So we're just waiting for the investment to get matured. Now the next thing we're going to see is going to be on the admin dashboard. You're going to see how to change all of those wallet address and others. So here is where you get to edit the user's profile. You can maybe edit the account name, that's the name, the email, whatsoever you want to edit. You understand? You can change this guy here. Then also you can deactivate the account and also change the password of the account. All right, so you can also do all of those guys. Right, so let's go see how we can change our cryptocurrency address. Just go to payment wallet over here. You can see that payment wallet. So these are the cryptocurrency. So let's add a new wallet. For instance, let's add what do we add now? Let's just say Notcoin. Then let's say this is the address. We'll just add wallet. So you can see it's that simple. Okay, it's that simple. We can delete wallet. Let's say this guy, we don't need it, we just delete it. So it has been deleted. Then for the bank payments also, you can add that. You can add bank accounts if you want to accept payment via bank transfer. All right, so basically that should be all for the website. So you can see withdrawals here. Let's see withdraw request. This is where you get to manage withdrawal request. So these this is just a withdrawal request that was pending on the system before now. So you can see this is the amount. We couldn't make a withdrawal request just now because we do not have any withdrawable balance. So you can view your withdrawal request. Then if you want to approve it, just click on accept, declined, and all that. Then we also have payouts here. Payout has to do with the profit section. Then we have view plans. This is where you get to view your investment plans you have. So here you can edit a plan, delete a plan. Then you can add new plan. All users, to view the users, you can delete a user, suspend a user, deactivate a user account, and all that. And this is your admin profile, where you get to see the option to change your profile, your password, and others. Then this is the site configuration section. Site configuration, so you can change the logo. We already touched this section before, and also we've already touched this section. Okay, so basically that should be all. That should be all. But there's something I need to touch on this cron job. All right, on this cron job. So this is it. If you are installing your website, your script on a subdomain like I did on mine, you're going to edit this command and put in your website. That is where you get here. Let's just do it. Let's copy the cron job command. Then let's go to our cPanel. Let's do that. So just in case you are working with a subdomain, just go to cron job. Go to cron job. Then let's make it per minute. So it's going to run per minute. Then we paste the command here. But this time around, we are going to put slash our domain name. That's our subdomain rather. So let me just copy it here. So this is it, Tesla dot this. So just copy it. Okay. So paste it here. All right. So depending on how your server is programmed, so not with the HTTP. The reason I'm doing that is if we go to our file manager now, you can see public_HTML, and our website is inside here. So that's why we need to direct our cron job command to run this guy. But if you are not using a subdomain, it means your website files are located here, so you don't need to put this stuff I just did. So depending on what you are working with, so you don't have issues with your cron job. So whichever way you're running it. Then let's remove this. So there should be no issue where our cron job will not run. Okay, we already have the two cron job set. All right, so that's how to set the cron job. So in case you're having issues, your balance is not adding after the maturity of the investment maturity, just check the cron job. And many a times, even without the cron job, the investment should still run, because anytime a user visit this website, that command will automatically run. All right, so it's programmed that way. So having done that, we have walked through the whole script, and we've checked on the deposit section, we've checked on the withdrawal, we've checked on the plan. So these are the total withdrawals so far. So there's been no withdrawal. I mean, these are the ones that came along with the script. Okay, then if we go to dashboard, we're going to see other description. So we have a total of 7 users. Then pending withdrawal, let's check deposits. So okay, pending withdrawal also displaying and all that. So that's all for the script. You can see it's a very amazing script, and a very good one. No bugs, as you can see, there are no bugs on the script. Now the recommended PHP version is version 7.4 and above. So 7.4, 8.1, 8.2, 8.3, you shouldn't be having any issues. Then your hosting should have a database, MySQL database specifically, so you can import your database and others. So if you need an hosting, like I said, you just visit destinhost.com.ng, then you make purchase for a hosting. So the next thing I want to touch before I go is how to include a live chat. So to include a live chat, just go to your files. So these are my files here. Then in my files, just go to include, click on include, then okay, not here. You can just, depending on how you want to include it though, depending on how you want to include it, then you can just go to footer.php, edit, then edit it, just copy your live chat script, then paste it in this code. Just paste it somewhere here, or you paste it at the top. You can paste it at the top here, or anywhere you want to paste it. Then after that, you save. So with that, you should now have a live chat displaying in your user dashboard. The live chat is not going to display on the admin dashboard. That's, you don't need the live chat. Okay, so with this, we come to the end of this section. If there is anything you do not understand about this video, please just indicate on the comment section you want to ask a question. And if there's any other tutorial you'd like us to work on, you just indicate on the comment section, and we're gonna get that done and work on it. So if you need any scripts, just come to my DM. I'm gonna drop a link to my WhatsApp inbox, so you can always inbox me, and also the link to this script will be on the description on this video. So you just click on that link to get the scripts, and just get started. And also this script is very easy to edit the code. It's not a Laravel script, it's a basic PHP, a core PHP script and HTML, so you can always edit anything you want to edit. All right, so maybe you're a developer, you just need something to start up your new project. You can always use this as a startup point for your project. So guys, see you in our next video. Thanks for always watching our video. Please, if you are not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do wait to subscribe, and also share this video to a developer or anyone who will be interested, and you will be doing us a very good deed by making others to see this video and get to enjoy the knowledge we are actually sharing in our videos. Thank you very much. My name is Destiny Emmanuel. See you in our next video. Have a nice time.
and subscribe.